Maintenance and cleaning. The please the switch off and the power and the remove the plug from the wall outlet. Number two, before the cleaning, make sure that use the application is good. Do not be clean and the application when you do the hot. Clean the cook up and the control the panel with the damp cloth. Do not wash the induction cook top up running water. Do not immersing with the induction cook up in water. To clean the black glass panel and first wipe it with the wet cloth, and then the whip in it is with the sponge using the middle detergent, and the finally whip the dry soft water. This is the function of this is the off one off automatically. Is the prestige is the error for there. How many type of the error are coming? This is the E6 is the protect for the against the high temperature in the cook up. E3 EA is the protect against the high temperature in the glass panel. E1 E2 E3 E4 E5 and EB is the protect against the normal and the internal sensor inside of the induction cook up. This is the model number is the PC16.0 and the power is the 1600 watts and the voltage is the 230 AC 50 Hz warranty 1 year. This is starting this cook up in the fry. Italy depends in heat up only. Is in temperature is down out to 60 degree only. He is heat up. Don't touch me. Is making it. This is the timer for the 30 minutes and 15 minutes. You will to increase the temperature. It will not be suddenly okay 100%. If is heat up, then coming for the this is the down the temperature and minimize is the 60 degree of the heat up heat milk only. Keep warm up 120. Warm up is 120, milk is the 60. Is the upper and the two type of the what is the 120 degree temperature of the 60. There 300 wattage is the 100 temperature maintain. The 500 wattage is 130, and the as per as the 1600 wattage is used to 240 degree centigrade temperature are maintained for the this time. Okay, this is oil all is maintain the temperature 120 degree or 60 degree is not working at that is a close automatically. This is a not heat up coming only 60 degree temperature is maintained, not warm up again. This temperature is not be keep warm up, only warm up करेगा. फ्राई हीटिंग करने के लिए ये आ जाएगा 180 अभी हीट हो रहा है. दिस इज हीटिंग टाइप्स. is manually decrease this temperature is maintained. This is the maintenance. Then thank you this video watching all of viewers, and after some comments for these videos. Okay, bye guys.